Hi everyone. Here we go onto our third body paragraph. So remember, our argument essay has 5 paragraphs. We have up to this point completed body paragraph 1 on our reason 1, body paragraph 2 you completed yesterday. Today we're beginning work for body paragraph 3. And specifically what we're doing is what you've done before. You're going to put your third reason to support your claim right here in this box, okay? And then you're going to find 3 pieces of evidence to support that reason in your claim. Also, you're going to put your in-text citation from the website where you got your evidence from, author's last name and the year, or the name of the website and the year. So what I want you to have open next to your assignment today is the tab from April 28th. Open up April 28th assignment, everyone. You will see this is where you first chose your 3 reasons. So you're going to copy and paste your claim over again, right here, and then go back and find reason 3, copy and paste reason 3 right here. Then go on to websites from April 27th, find your evidence and put it in with the in-text citation. You might at this point also want to update some of your evidence on the April 27th assignment, because I know that you're finding different websites than you originally had planned. Okay, so it might be a good idea to keep updating those as well. That's it for today. Great job, everyone. Keep working hard.